Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Dolibarr versus Odoo versus ERPNext. So if you don't know what these three are, Dolibarr is an open source ERP and CRM for small to mid-sized businesses, modular and easy to use. And Odoo on the other hand is a comprehensive modular ERP with strong third-party support, suitable for businesses of all sizes. And ERP, lastly, is an open source, full-featured ERP with a focus on simplicity and flexibility, great for customization. So let's go over the pros and cons, starting with Dolibarr here. So the pros of Dolibarr is that it has a simple interface, it is easy to install and use, it is lightweight and fast. Now the cons of it is that it has fewer features than others, and it is limited in advanced tools. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of Odoo. So Odoo pros is that it is very powerful and modular. It has a huge app marketplace and has a strong community plus enterprise version. Now the cons of it is that it has a steeper learning curve and some key features are paid or locked behind a paywall. And lastly, let's discuss the pros and cons of ERPNext. So the pros of ERPNext is that it is fully open source, it is great for customization, and it is good for manufacturing, schools, and services. Now the cons of it is that it needs technical skill to self-host and has a smaller ecosystem to Odoo. Now, which one is right for you? So you should choose Dolibarr if you want a lightweight and easy ERP for basic needs, and choose Odoo if for a scalable, powerful system with lots of features and integrations. And lastly, you should choose ERPNext if you want full control, open source flexibility, and are okay with a bit of setup. And that is basically it. That is the difference between all three of them. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.